Hello and welcome to the first video in our series on how to make a 911 call. I'm Staff Sergeant Clay Thompson, and today's topic will be vehicle theft along with how best to assist dispatch in getting you help. First, we need to find a vehicle to steal. Oh, there's one now.
No. Oh, that fucking O-block looking motherfucker with the low credit score just stole my car. I gotta call the cops. They gotta deal with this shit. Yo, coppers, somebody stole my whip from Bayview. Fucking deal with it. You're sitting on your fucking ass. Deal with it. See ya. Alright, they'll take care of it. That should be fine.
Man, that's not how you call 911.
Man, I don't care. Cops are gonna catch your dumbass. Not today. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe the next day. I'll take care of it.
Alright, man, let's make a deal. I'll tell you how to call 911 correctly. You do it right, I'll give you your car back.
Shit, alright. Sounds like a deal.
Alright, so when you call 911 about a stolen vehicle, you need to tell the operator as much as you can about the vehicle and the theft. You should start with the model of the vehicle and its color. Deputies need to know what to look for. Next, the license plate of the vehicle, in our case, 1C3. This helps deputies confirm that even with the right model and color, that this is in fact the vehicle they're looking for. While not necessary, the more information you're able to provide, the better. This can include where the vehicle was stolen from, the direction of travel. With this, deputies are able to attempt an immediate response and try to predict where the vehicle is. These first few minutes are critical in recovering stolen vehicles. If anything else might stand out about the vehicle, such as a missing tail light or a large dent, make that known to your operator. Alright, go ahead and give it another try.
Hello. My black or grayish contender with the license plate 1C3 was stolen from the Bayview parking lot. I saw it leaving towards the tunnel with the toll booth in it. It doesn't have a windshield. It was kind of beat up because I'm not really that good of a driver. And the criminal who stole it looked to be Clay Thompson. I need some help, please. Can you help me out? Thank you.
Now that was the proper way to make a 911 call. I think you deserve your car back.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Thank you for teaching me.
When you make a 911 call and report a stolen vehicle, remember to provide what we've talked about today. The model and the color of the car, the license plate, and if you know it, the last known location and direction it was headed, any outstanding marks or details, and any possible suspects. Now, last but not least, today's question of the week. What information you need to include when reporting stolen vehicles? Send your answer to and have a chance of winning $50,000. That will be everything from us. I'm Staff Sergeant Clay Thompson, and I'll see you next week. Bye.
Try calling the cops correctly now, boy.